Starting an eco-friendly business doesn't always require a significant financial outlay. Many green ventures can be launched with little to no upfront costs, relying more on creativity, skills, and leveraging existing resources. Here are several sustainable business ideas that align with environmental values while keeping your budget in check. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about growing food in other people's yards. Many people are interested in fresh, locally grown food but lack the time and knowledge, but have space to grow plants in their yard. You can convert that yard to a farm. Offering this service meets a real need. This type of business promotes sustainability by reducing food miles, encouraging local food production, and often using organic methods. You can start small, perhaps focusing on a few yards, and scale up as demand grows. Organic street juice shop. Starting an organic street juice shop can be a promising business idea, especially if you're passionate about healthy eating and sustainability. There's an increasing demand for healthy, organic, and fresh food options as consumers become more health conscious. Street juice shops often have a local fresh appeal, which can be a significant draw. Offering seasonal and locally sourced ingredients can further enhance your shop's appeal and sustainability. Compared to some other food businesses, starting a juice shop might require a lower initial investment. It often involves less complex equipment and ingredients. You can even use a juicer from your home. Consider organizing local eco-events. Host swap meets, eco-friendly fairs, or workshops on sustainability in your community. Your main costs will be for event permits and promotional materials. Collaborate with local schools, businesses, and nonprofits for broader reach and impact. Your reward will be according to your performance in communication and management. You can charge an amount for setting up a stall in that event by an eco-friendly firm, and you can put a ticket charge for your eco-workshop. Another great option is starting an eco-friendly blog. Starting an eco-friendly blog can be a highly rewarding and impactful venture, especially if you're passionate about environmental issues and sustainability. A blog allows you to advocate for environmental causes, raise awareness about important issues, and inspire others to take action. Your content can educate readers on topics such as zero waste, renewable energy, eco-friendly products, and more. Once established, an eco-friendly blog can generate income through various channels, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, ad revenue, or selling eco-friendly products. Let's not forget sustainable event planning. Sustainable event planning focuses on organizing events in an environmentally responsible way, minimizing waste, reducing carbon footprints, and promoting sustainability. It's a growing niche within the event planning industry due to increasing awareness of environmental issues and demand for eco-friendly practices. While some sustainable practices can be cost-effective, others may require a higher initial investment. Initially, you can start with smaller functions like birthday parties or bridal showers. Balancing the budget and demonstrating the long-term benefits of sustainability to clients is crucial. Backyard composting business. If you have sufficient backyard area, then you can easily start this business with very little to no money. Collect organic wastes from your locality and compost it. Composting helps divert organic waste from landfills, reducing methane emissions and pollution. Compost can be sold to individuals, businesses, and agricultural operations. You can also explore additional revenue streams, such as offering composting workshops, consulting, or partnering with local farmers. Ensure compliance with waste management and environmental regulations. Consider bicycle courier service. Starting a bicycle courier service is a great way to contribute to sustainable transportation while tapping into a growing market for fast, efficient delivery solutions. Bicycle couriers are ideal for urban environments where traffic congestion and parking issues make traditional delivery methods less efficient. Operating a bicycle courier service generally has lower overhead costs compared to motorized delivery services. There are no fuel costs, and maintenance expenses are typically lower for bicycles. Air duct cleaning service. Starting an air duct cleaning service can be a profitable and essential business, especially as homeowners and businesses become more aware of the importance of indoor air quality and energy savings. Compared to some other service industries, starting an air duct cleaning business typically requires a relatively modest initial investment, mainly for equipment and training. Air duct often requires periodic maintenance, which can lead to repeat business. Establishing ongoing relationships with clients can provide a steady revenue stream. Bee rescue and honey sales. Starting a bee rescue and honey sales business is an excellent way to support pollinator populations while tapping into the growing market for locally produced, natural honey. This business combines environmental stewardship with entrepreneurial opportunity, offering both ecological benefits and potential revenue. In addition to honey sales, you can offer related products and services, such as beeswax candles, hive tours, bee-related merchandise, or consulting services on bee conservation and beekeeping. Compared to some other businesses, beekeeping generally has low overhead costs once initial equipment and setup are in place. Let's talk about upcycled products. If you love DIY projects and have an eye for design, why not turn used materials into something new? Upcycling business connotes refurbishing old products and giving them a new form without using any extra element in manufacturing. The upcycling business means a sustainable way of production by welcoming unique business ideas for innovation. The process utilizes scrapped products and transforms them into other goods. You can create anything from reclaimed wood furniture to accessories made from old fabrics. You can upcycle old cloths into carry bags or tires into furnitures. Generally speaking, upcycling ventures have a smaller setup than big organizations where production is of large scale and involve minimum investment. The investment here is mostly just tools and materials you might already have lying around, which makes it the best small, eco-friendly business idea.